Hello.
Yeah, bro, what's up? What's up, chairman?
Yes, Abbas.
I get one guy, this guy, I need more trickies for couple. This guy is for couple.
Okay, now what did the guy do you now?
I give this guy one document, may do for me. He go for back, they want remove chop from my mouth. Yeah, bro. Bro, I need more treat this guy for up. More treat this guy for up. Yeah. You holler me now, you holler me your account, you know as it be. I'll give you water to take bath. Yeah, that one will be problem. We'll arrange them. I'll give you water to take bath. Just holler me your bank account. You know as it be. Yeah, I want to make this guy suffer. Make this guy suffer. Yeah.
Okay, bro. What happened is that I will send my boys to go and get him. Just send me his contact. Send me his information so that I will send my boys to go and get him, okay? You don't have problem, bro. You don't have problem. No problem, bro. You know?
They'll pick her up like a criminal. Make the treaty for cop. Make this guy suffer.
Okay, bro. What happen be say my boys will go pick him. If they pick him, I will send you the pictures. I will send you a picture. Don't worry, he will suffer. He will suffer there. No, you don't have to worry. Already, I will send you the account you requested. Don't worry, he will suffer inside there. No, you don't have anything to worry. Yeah. How can he come and spoil your business for you? It's not good. Such criminals are not supposed to be existing. Yes, this is our work to protect everybody, life and properties. No problem, you don't have any issue. Yeah, bro. I got your back, bro. Yeah. It's okay. Thank you. No problem.
Run it.